Easy salad recipes. 8 healthy salad recipes for weight loss. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Looking to boost your weight loss efforts by including more wholesome salads into your diet? With our compilation of 8 quick and wholesome salad recipes, we've got you covered. These salads are filled with flavorful fresh ingredients and are created especially to aid in weight loss while providing you with scrumptious meal. Our salad recipes offer a range of options to fit your preferences. Whether you prefer lush greens, protein-rich salads, or colorful veggie combos, prepare yourself to enjoy salads that are packed with nutrients to boost your weight loss efforts, while also nourishing your body. Number 1. Red bean and chickpea salad, 450 calories. Red bean and chickpea salad is a nutritious and flavorful salad that can support your weight loss goals. This salad combines protein-rich red beans and chickpeas with a variety of fresh vegetables and herbs, creating a satisfying and filling meal. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in this salad helps you keep full and satisfied for longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Additionally, the salad is low in calories, making it a great choice for those looking to lose weight. Here are the specific ingredients for red bean and chickpea salad. 1 can of red beans, rinse and drain. 1 can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained. 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved. 1 cucumber diced. 1 red onion thinly sliced. 1 bell pepper diced. Fresh parsley chopped. Lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making red bean and chickpea salad. Number 2. Tomato cucumber feta salad, 250 calories. Tomato cucumber feta salad is a refreshing and nutritious salad that is perfect for weight loss. With its combination of fresh tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and tangy feta cheese, this salad is packed with flavor while being low in calories. Tomatoes and cucumbers are high in water content and fiber, which helps to keep you feel full and aids in digestion. Feta cheese adds a satisfying creaminess and a boost of protein. This salad is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing essential nutrients for overall health. By incorporating tomato cucumber feta salad into your meal plan, you can enjoy a delicious and satisfying salad that supports your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for tomato cucumber feta salad. 2 cups cherry tomatoes halved, 1 cucumber sliced, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, fresh basil leaves chopped, red onion thinly sliced, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process in making the tomato cucumber feta salad. Number 3. Tomato cucumber and corn salad, 340 calories. Tomato cucumber and corn salad is a delicious and healthy salad option that can support your weight loss goals. This salad combines the freshness of tomatoes and cucumbers with the sweetness of corn, creating a flavorful and satisfying dish. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, while cucumbers provide hydration and a refreshing crunch. Corn adds natural sweetness and fiber to the salad, keeping you fuller for longer. Here are the specific ingredients for tomato cucumber salad. 2 cups cherry tomatoes halved, 1 cucumber diced, 1 cup corn kernels, red onion, thinly sliced, fresh basil or cilantro leaves chopped, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making tomato cucumber corn salad. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Avocado shrimp salad recipe. 410 calories. Avocado shrimp salad is a nutritious and satisfying salad recipe that can aid in your weight loss journey. This salad combines creamy avocado, succulent shrimp, and a variety of fresh vegetables to create a flavorful and filling meal. Avocado is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients, while shrimp provides lean protein. The combination of these ingredients offers a well-rounded and nourishing salad option that supports weight loss. Here are the specific ingredients for the avocado shrimp salad. 1 pound shrimp peeled and deveined, 2 ripe avocado dice, 1 cup cherry tomatoes half, 1/2 red onion thinly sliced, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, mixed grains or lettuce. Here is the process for making avocado shrimp salad. Number 5. Chicken salad recipe with lettuce and tomato, 420 calories. Chicken salad with lettuce and tomatoes is a nutritious and satisfying salad recipe that can support your weight loss goals. This salad combines lean chicken breast, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a flavorful dressing to create a delicious and low-calorie meal. The chicken provides a high-quality protein, which helps you keep feeling full and supports muscle recovery. Lettuce and tomatoes add fiber, vitamins, and minerals to the salad, making it a nutrient-dense option for weight loss. Here are the specific ingredients for the chicken salad with lettuce and tomato. 8 ounces of cooked chicken breast shredded or diced, 4 cups lettuce washed and torn into bite-sized pieces, 2 tomatoes diced, 1/4 red onion thinly sliced. For optional toppings, cucumber slices, avocado slices, croutons. For the dressing, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making chicken salad with lettuce and tomato. Number 6. Mediterranean quinoa salad, 320 calories. Mediterranean quinoa salad is a vibrant and nutritious salad that supports your weight loss journey. This salad combines protein-packed quinoa with a medley of colorful vegetables, olives, and feta cheese, creating a satisfying and flavorful meal. Quinoa provides a complete source of protein and dietary fiber, while the vegetables offer vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The combination of these ingredients makes for a delicious and wholesome salad option. Here are the specific ingredients for the Mediterranean quinoa salad. 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/2 cucumber diced, 1/2 red bell pepper diced, 1/4 red onion thinly sliced, 1/4 cup Kalamata olives, pitted and sliced, 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, fresh parsley and mint leaves chopped, juice of 1 lemon, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making Mediterranean quinoa salad. Number 7. Asian edamame salad, 280 calories. Asian edamame salad is a flavorful and protein-rich salad that can aid in your weight loss efforts. This salad features edamame beans, crunchy vegetables, and a zesty Asian-inspired dressing. Edamame beans are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, which helps to keep you feel full and satisfied. The combination of vibrant colors and bold colors makes this salad a delightful option for a healthy meal. Here are the specific ingredients. Here is the process for making Asian edamame salad. Number 8. Spinach berry salad, 220 calories. Spinach berry salad is a delicious and nutrient-rich option for supporting your weight loss. This salad combines the freshness of spinach leaves with the sweetness of berries and the crunch of nuts, creating a balanced and satisfying meal. Spinach is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while berries provide a burst of natural sweetness and additional antioxidants. Nuts add healthy fats and protein to the salad, making it a nourishing choice for weight loss. Here are the specific ingredients for the spinach berry salad. For the dressing, and here is the process for making spinach berry salad. And that concludes our list of 8 healthy salad recipes for weight loss. Do you happen to know any healthy salad recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!